Good morning. We're here today with the new Hamilton Engine 1. It is a 2017 stock Pierce Impel pumper with a 1,500 gallon per minute pump and a 750 gallon tank. We're going to do a quick walk around of the truck. This is going to the Hamilton, Mass. Fire Department in Northeast Massachusetts, the home of General George S. Patton. This truck was brought through the Pierce stock program, which I'll talk a little bit more in a few minutes. This truck features a front discharger off the bumper with the Q2B siren. The Pierce Impel cab features a 100-inch wide cab, and it is wide open on the inside for increased visibility. This truck here features 6 seating for firefighters, 2 front facing, 2 rear facing, with the driver in the officer's position. This truck also features the TAC 4 independent front suspension, which allows for increased stable driving as well as increased braking capability up to 60 feet. As you can see from inside the cab, there is a mounting plate on the doghouse, and every firefighter in the truck will have really great visibility with the one-piece bonded windshield. This truck features two 1.5-inch to 1 inch and 3/4 cross lays with a 2.5-inch cross lay as well. With the roll-up doors, we have slide-out trays in each of the cabinets that are front and aft of the tire. Above the tire, we have pegboard, which came standard with this truck as well. There is room for SCBA bottle storage in the fender wells. And one of the features of this truck is the low hose bed. This will help firefighters load the hose more safely and easily. There's also a rear compartment for storage, which also features a slide-out tray. Ladder storage in the back as well. And on the passenger side is basically the same setup as the driver's side. We would like to thank Chief Stevens and Acting Chief Brunette, as well as firefighter Bobby Wallace of the Hamilton Fire Department for their continued business. And if you'd like to know more about the stock program that Pierce offers, please contact your local sales rep, as we have literally dozens of stock fire trucks available, from pumpers to tankers to aerial trucks to even heavy rescues. Thank you.